and welcome back to another, what is this? Trendmood box unboxing. This one is the First Aid Beauty collab. I'm still trying to move this around, get it just right. Okay, that's better. So, inside of it, it's even printed with it, which usually they don't have any printing on them, so that's kind of cool. They're basically launching their new Ultra Repair Firming Collagen Cream. Everything else is a bonus. I like the blue tissue paper they use, just saying. Anyway, so usually with Trendmood box, the ones that are just like the volume blah 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 whatever, they're damn near impossible to get even if you're on the site the moment they launch. They sell out instantly. There's basically no hope. I try every time and I'm disappointed almost every time. I think I've succeeded once on one of those actual boxes. I sometimes succeed with the collab boxes, sometimes not. This is one of the ones I thankfully succeeded on. I would have been very sad if I missed out on this one. So, I don't even remember what's in it already, so let's find out together. I seem to recall it was only like a few items, but it was like a really good value for the money. Okay, so this is the Ultra Repair Firming Collagen Cream, which is the one that's the new product that they're just launching, so kinda cool. But yeah, not a lot to say about that yet. I mean, all of these I'm gonna do proper review videos on as I get to them and use them, so. We've also got the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub with 10% AHA, which this is like one of their best sellers. That's kind of cool to have. Let's see here. Doesn't mention what KP stands for. I used to know offhand. I have forgotten. Feel free to chime in the comments. I will feel real stupid as soon as I see it. Isn't it something like Keratin Polaris or something like that? But anyway, it's basically those little weird bumps you get on your skin that aren't really shaving bumps. They're not goosebumps. They're just kind of there. They're those. This helps get rid of those, so that's always a good thing. There's also a tube of the Pure Skin Face Cleanser, so you know I'm a happy camper having yet another tube of this on hand, because this is like my favorite of all the face cleansers that I have tried to date, and I have like 2 full-size tubes of this, plus a couple little sample sizes I've gotten off of Ipsy, and this one only takes like a tiny little amount to do your whole face, so I'm basically stocked up for years right now with just those. Oh, goodness. Then we have the Facial Radiance Pads to help exfoliate, tone, and brighten. I'm gonna have to double check. I might have gotten these in either an Ipsy or a BoxyCharm. I want to say it was either these or some other pads, but they were definitely from First Aid Beauty, but I'm gonna have to double check if these are the same ones or not. If so, that's cool, I've got more of them. If they're different, then cool, I have a new product to play with. Either way, win-win. And then the final thing in here is the Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration Skin Protectant Colloidal Oatmeal. Now, I don't know if this one's new as well. I want to say, I think it is, but I'm not 100% on that. I know that I haven't personally used this one in the past, but I want to say I think this one's also new. But correct me if I'm wrong on that. It doesn't help that the packaging, the theming is just so similar across all of their products, so it's not like they have very distinct looks at them, so where I can like know at a glance that, oh yeah, I've had that one before. It's like, nah, they all have that same look to them, you know, they match, so I'll have to look, but I want to say I think this is new. So, exciting either way. But yeah, so that's what came in this collab box. I think I paid a grand total of like, I think it was $40 for the box, and honestly, I know for a fact, the face cleanser alone is like $22. Just for the face cleanser. That is saying nothing of everything else in here. So I knew, at a moment's glance, as soon as I saw the price and what's in here, that, oh, that is a hell of a steal. Pounce on that. So I was really happy I was able to get in the door and actually check out before it sold out. Because like I said, it literally, like, within 1 minute of them launching, they're always sold out. And it's insane. But anyways, that is it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it and get your name on the end card for a month from the time of donating, the donation link is also, as always, down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, bye-bye.